Hello everyone. Welcome to Silent Coding Journey. If you're a coding newbie or a seasoned developer looking to pick up some new tricks, you've come to the right place. Today, we will be using React and CSS to achieve the effect on the screen. So, without further ado, let's embark on today's coding journey together. First off, I'll be importing the React and Reactum libraries directly from Skypack's CDN. This is a popular method to use various NPM modules directly in the browser without the need for bundling via build tools, like Webpack or Rollup. Once imported, we can use React and Reactum within our file. These two constants define the attributes used in the upcoming graphic. The glow component creates an SVG filter that gives the graphic a glowing effect. It uses the drop shadow twice to simulate the glow effect, both above and below. The color attribute defines the glow's color, while the ID attribute serves as a unique identifier for referencing the filter later. The gradient component creates an SVG linear gradient. The from and to attributes define the gradient start and end colors, while the ID attribute provides a unique identifier for later referencing. The layer component, this is a complex component used to draw a graphic layer with a specific gradient and text. It defines a path internally, using SVG path syntax, and adjusts the size, offset, and color based on the provided parameters. It also generates a random ID for referencing the gradient and filter. The layers component, this is the container component wrapping multiple layer components. It creates an SVG element and accepts child components as its content. This means we can nest multiple layer components within the app component and render them inside this SVG container. The React components in this JS file use SVG to create a 3D layered graphic effect. Each layer component can have its gradient, text, size, and offset, while all layer components are encompassed by the layers component to form a complete graphic. Once done, we'll beautify this demo further with CSS. So, sit back with a cup of coffee and enjoy the show. That's it for today's content. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, please remember to hit that like button. It lets me know you want more of such content. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, now's the perfect time. Click on the subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell, and you won't miss out on any of our new videos. Alright, the coding journey never stops, and I'll see you in the next video. Wishing you bug-free code and a happy mood.